Welcome to interview preparation session. First question. What is the difference between list and tuple in Python? I will give you 2 minutes time. Everyone mention answers in live chat. Coming to the answer, list, tuple. Lists are mutable. They can be edited. Tuples are immutable. Tuples are lists which can't be edited. Lists are slower than tuples. Tuples are faster than list. I have given here syntax. Coming to the next question. What are the key features of Python? Coming to the answer, here I have mentioned this everything. I will discuss with you 2 points. Python is an interpreted language. That means unlike language like C and its variants, Python does not need to complete it before it is run. Other interpreted language include PHP and Ruby, and it is dynamically typed, and it's an object-oriented programming language. Still, Python functions are first-class object. This means that they can assign to variables, and it's open source, easy to learn. This is all about Python. Coming to the next one. What type of language is Python? Once again, I will repeat the question. What type of language is Python? Coming to the answer, Python is a capable of a scripting. It's a scripting programming language, but in general sense, it is considered as a general purpose programming language. To know more about scripting, you can refer the Python scripting tutorials also. And this question is what type of language is Python, and programming as scripting. So this is all about scripting. Coming to the next one, Python and interpreted language. Explain. Coming to the answer, an interpreted language is any programming language which is not in ML, I mean machine level code before runtime. Therefore, Python is an interpreted language. Coming to the next, what is PEP8? Coming to the answer, PEP stands for Python Enhancement Proposal. It is a set of rules that specify how to format Python code for maximum readability. Coming to the next one, what are the benefits of using Python? Once again, I will repeat the question. What are the benefits of using Python? If anyone knows answer, mention in live chat. The benefits of using Python: easy to use. Python is a high level programming language that is easy to use, read, write, and learn. And it is a interpreted language. Since Python is interpreted language, it executes the code line by line, and stop if an error occurs in any line. So this is all about the interpreted language. And coming to the next point, dynamically typed. The developer does not assign data type to variables at the time of coding. It automatically gets assigned during execution. Coming to the next point, already we discussed this. This is a open source and free. Python is a free to use and distribute. It is a open source. Coming to the next point here, last point, extensive support for library. Python has vast library that contains almost the function needed. It also further provides the facility to import other packages using Python package manager, and it's a portable also. Coming to the next one, what are Python namespaces? Coming to the answer, a namespace is a naming system used to make sure that names are unique to avoid naming conflicts. A namespace in Python refers to the name which is assigned to each object in Python. The object or variables and functions. As each object is created, its name along with space. There are 4 types of namespace in Python: built-in namespace, global namespace, enclosing namespace, local namespace. So these are the 4 namespaces specified here. Coming to the next one, what are the common built-in data types in Python? I will give you 2 minutes time. Once again, I will repeat the question. What are the common built-in data types in Python? Coming to the answer, the common built-in data types in Python are numbers, floating points also will be there. Numbers like integers, floating points 7.9 like this, and complex numbers like 3 plus 4i like this. 4 plus 9j, like those are the complex numbers. And coming to the list, it's an ordered sequence of items. The elements of a list may belongs to different data types. Example I have given here. Coming to the tuple, it is also an ordered sequence of element, and tuple are immutable, which means they can't be changed. Mutable means we can change. And here I have given example of for tuple. And string, a sequence of characters is called a string. They are declared within single or double quants. Here I have given example. And next one, sets. Sets are a collection of unique items that are not in order. Here I have mentioned example. Dictionary. A dictionary stores values in keys and value pairs, where each value can be accessed through its key. The order of items is not important. So this is called all about dictionary, and I have given here example also. And boolean values, true or false. Either it is true or false. These are called boolean values. And coming to the next question, what is the difference between PY and PYC files? Coming to the answer, the .py files or the Python source code files, while the PYC files contain the byte, byte code of the Python files. PYC files are created when the code is imported from some other source. The interpreter converts the source .py files to .pyc files, which helps by saving time. So this is all about the differences actually. Coming to the next one, what is slicing in Python? Slicing is used to access parts of sequences like lists, tuples, and strings. The syntax is slicing like this. I have mentioned here. I have mentioned here example also. Coming to the next one, what are keywords in Python? Coming to the answer, keywords in Python are reserved words that have special meaning. They are generally used to define type of variables. Keywords cannot be used for variable or function names. There are following 33 keywords in Python. Here I have mentioned and, or, not, if, else, for, while, break, as, lambda, pass, return, true, false, try, with, class, continue, del, accept, finally, from, import, in, is, rise, none, everything I have mentioned here. So these are the keywords in Python. And this is one of the important question. What are coming to the next question, what are literals in Python, and explain about different literals here. Answer, I have mentioned this all. Let's discuss a literal in Python source code represents a fixed value for primitive data types. There are 5 types of literals in Python. We can discuss briefly here. String literals. Second one, a character. Third one, numeric. Fourth one, Boolean literals. Fifth one, literal collections. Sixth one, special literal. So these are the things, actually 5 types of literals I have mentioned here clearly. Coming to the next one, how to combine data frames in pandas. I will give you 2 minutes time, mention in chat box. Once again, I will repeat the question. How to combine data frames in pandas. Coming to the answer, the data frames in Python can be combined in the following ways. First one, concatenating or combining, we will say them by stacking the two data frames vertically. Second point, concatenating them by stacking the two data frames horizontally. Combining them on a common column. This is referred to as joining. This is all about how to combine data frames in pandas. Coming to the next one, what is Python path? Coming to the answer, it is an environment variable which is used when a model is imported. Whenever a model is imported, Python path is also looked up to check for the absence of the imported models in various directions. The interpreter uses it to determine which model to load. Coming to the next one, what are Python models? Name some commonly used built-in models in Python. Once again, I will repeat the question. What are Python models? Name some commonly used built-in models in Python. Coming to the answer, Python models are files containing Python code. This code can either be functions, classes, or variable. A Python model is a .py file containing executable code. Some of the commonly used built-in modules are OS, SYS, math, random, data time, JSON. So this is all about Python models and some commonly used built-in model in Python. So these are the top 20 questions I have taken. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Please mention in live chat. Thank you.